Back in comes Pietrangelo. Toe drag and a shot. Score! Off of Matt Murray and into the net, and the Blues have won in overtime.
A night for a defenseman to score. Might as well finish that way. Another play by Pietrangelo using that lateral mobility. Great play, Pierre. You've seen this from him before. You called it tonight on a couple of occasions. Watch this. The toe drag here. Uses the screen of Schultz and beats Murray, and they go home happy. And Doc, you're right, they spoiled the party.
They did indeed. Final score of 5-4. What an entertaining game it was. 67 shots, 34-33 Blues. The only shot of overtime was the one that ended it.